x squared, and plus here 3 times 3 is, if we divide 9 over 3, so we get 3 times x squared plus 3x, and minus 10 here whole squared all over x squared plus 3 times x minus 3 whole cubed is equal to minus 36 squared. Now here we are going to suppose that this x squared plus 3x, here it is same, so if we let x squared plus 3 times x is equal to m, so suppose it is our equation 1 that we have just let x squared plus 3x is equal to m. So substituting this value here, then we have 3 times this x squared plus 3x is equal to m, so we have to write 3m minus 10 whole squared all over here it is m minus 3 whole cubed is equal to minus 36 whole squared. Now here if we write this one, that 3m minus 10 whole squared all over m minus 3 whole cubed is equal to minus 36 whole squared. Now if we divide both hand side by 3 cubed, here 3 cubed, and similarly here 3 cubed, then we have 3m minus 10 whole squared all over, here we can write this one 3 times m minus 3 whole cubed is equal to minus 36 square can be written as 36 times 36, and all over this 3 cubed it is equal to 27. So here if we just cancel these two, then we have 9 3 27 and 9 4 36, so 3 1 is 3 and 3 2s are 6, so we have this one. Now our next step will be 3 times, here it is m, so 3m minus 10 whole squared all over 3 times m is 3m, and minus 3 times 3 is 9 whole cubed is equal to 12 4 is minus 48. Now here we are going to again suppose that this one is 3m minus 10, let 3m minus 10 is equal to n, so it is our equation 2, and then 3m minus 10 can also be written as minus 9 minus 1 is equal to n. So here 3m minus n, we have to find this one, so 3m minus n, it will be n, this shifting this one we get n plus 1. Let's say it is our equation 3. Now substituting these two equations, equation 2 and equation 3 in this step, then we have, now above step will be 3m minus 10 whole square, so 3m minus 10 is equal to n, then we have it is n squared all over n plus 1 whole cubed, it is equal to minus 48. We have just substitute these two equations, equation 2 and equation 3 in this step, so we get n squared over n plus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 48. So here if we let that n is equal to 1 over t, n is equal to 1 over t, so putting here, then we have 1 over t whole squared all over this 1 over t plus 1 whole cubed, 1 over t plus 1 whole cubed is equal to minus 48. Now here it is also written as 1 over t squared, that 1 over t square all over, here if we take a t is common LCM, so we have 1 plus t whole cubed is equal to minus 48. So now it can also be written as 1 over t squared divided by here 1 plus t whole cubed, just writing separately here, so t cubed is equal to minus 48. Now converting this division sign to multiplication, then we have 1 over t squared multiplied by just changing this denominator into numerator, so we have t cubed all over this 1 plus t whole cubed is equal to minus 48. So now here t squared can be cancelled out with this one, we get only t. So t over 1 plus t whole cubed is equal to minus 48. Now here our next step will be that if we just adding and subtracting 1 here, so it will be 1 plus t or t plus 1, so we can write anywhere is equal to minus 48. Now separating, we have t plus 1, that is t plus 1 all over 1 plus t whole cubed, and minus 1 over 1 plus t whole cubed, it is equal to minus 48. Now our next step will be here, we see that this can also be written as this t plus 1, it is cancelled by this, then we have 1 over 1 plus t or t plus 1 minus 1 over t plus 1 this cube, so whole cube is equal to minus 48. Now here we can also use, here we get t squared, okay, here it is t plus 1 squared, so 1 over t plus 1 whole squared, just write this one like 1 over t plus 1 whole cubed is equal to minus 48. Now our next step will be, now if we let that this 1 over t plus 1 is equal to y, so let's say it is our equation number 5, then this will be y squared minus y cubed is equal to here minus 48. So shifting this one, we get minus y cubed plus y squared and plus 48 is equal to 0. So now if we multiply by minus 1 on both hand side, we get y cubed minus y squared minus 48 is equal to 0. Now it is a nice quadratic equation. We have to solve this one. So if we use factorization method here, then we have but if we just split this 48, we can also find the values. So we just splitting this 48 like y cubed minus y squared, and here minus 64 plus, if we write here plus 16, then we get minus 48, which is equal to 0. Now making group here, then we have y cubed minus 64 and this minus y squared plus 16 is equal to 0. So y cubed minus 64 can also be written as 4 cubed, and here if we take minus is common, then it will be y squared minus 4 squared, which is equal to 16 is equal to 0. Here we are going to use algebraic formulas. If we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. And similarly we have another formula, that is a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now using these two formulas in this step, then we have y minus 4 times y squared plus 4 times y plus 4 squared is equal to 16. So here we have minus y plus 4 and y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we see that this y minus 4 and this y minus 4, it is common term. So taking common, we have y minus 4 times here y squared plus 4y plus 16, and here it is y plus 4. So minus times y is minus y, minus times plus is minus, 4 is equal to 0. So by simplification, we have y minus 4 times y squared and plus 4y minus y, we get plus 3y plus 16 minus 4, we get plus 12 is equal to 0. Now solving these two, here we have two conditions, that y minus 4 is equal to 0 and y squared plus 3 times y plus 12 is equal to 0. Here if we find the discriminant, so we just write discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So here discriminant is equal to value of p is 3. So 3 squared minus 4 times a is here. The x this coefficient of y squared is equal to 1, and here c is 12. So we get this will be 3 squared means 9 minus 12, 4 is 48. So discriminant will be minus 39, and we see that minus 39 is actually it is less than 0. If it is less than 0, then we get complex solution. Now here our solution is complex, so we just going to reject this value here. Why we are going to reject this value? Because we have given that value of x belongs to real number, not complex. So we don't write these values of y from this equation. Now rejected this one, so going to solve the value of y from this condition, which is y is equal to 4. Here we have find out the value of y. Now putting this value here in our equation, which is equation number 5. So now recalling our equation 5, as our equation 5 here we see that it is 1 over t plus 1 is equal to y. So using y is equal to 4 in this equation, then we have 1 over t plus 1 is equal to 4. Now finding the value of t plus 1, then by cross multiplication we get t plus 1 times 4 is equal to 1. So here the t plus 1 dividing both hand side by 4, we have 1 over 4. Now shifting this plus 1, then t is equal to 1 over 4 minus 1, and t will be 4 taking LCM. So we have 1 minus 4, and 1 minus 4 is minus 3 over 4. Now it is value of t, but we have 1 over t. By changing numerator into denominator, then we get 1 over t is equal to minus 4 over 3. Now this value of 1 over t, here we see that which is minus 4 over 3, using this value in our equation number 4. So now recall our equation 4, as we know that our equation 4 here it is n is equal to 1 over t. Here it is n is equal to 1 over t. It is our equation number 4. So n is equal to 1 over t. Now n is equal to 1 over t is minus 4 over 3. Minus 4 over 3. It is a value of n. So using this value here in equation number 2. So again we are going to recall our equation 2. So equation 2 is actually it is equal to 3 times m minus 10. 3 times m minus 10. We just write this equation here, that is 3m minus 10 is equal to 2. So here 3m minus 10 is equal to n. Now 3 times m minus 10 is equal to value of n, it is equal to minus 4 over 3. So here 3m is equal to minus 4 over 3 plus 10, and 3 times m is equal to, here if we take 3 is LCM, so we get minus 4. Here 10 times 3 is 30, so we have 26 over 3. Now 3m, if we divide both hand side by this 3, then we have right like this. So cancelling 3 with 3, m is equal to 26 over 3 times 3 is, sorry, it is 26, so 26 over 9. 26 over 9. So we have value of m is equal to 26 over 9. Now we are going to use this value of m, that is 26 over 9. So using this value of m in our equation number 1. Now it is our equation 1, so x squared plus 3x is equal to m. Now using value of m, which is 26 over 9, that is m is equal to 26 over 9. Now using here, then we get x squared plus 3 times x is equal to 26 over 9. Now shifting this one, we get x squared plus 3 times x minus 26 over 9 is equal to 0. Now if we just multiply by 9 with each term, then we get 9x squared plus 27x, and here 9 times 26 over 9, we just cancel 9 by 9, so we just write here minus 26 is equal to 0. Now here it is a nice quadratic equation, so we are going to use our quadratic formula. Here value of a is 9, b is equal to 27, and c is equal to minus 26. So using quadratic formula here, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus times square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So using here the value of a, b and c, then we have minus 27 plus minus square root of here 27 squared minus 4 times a is 9 and c is minus 26. C is minus 26 all over 2 times 9. So now x is equal to, here x is equal to minus 27 plus minus 27 squared. So 27 squared is equal to 729, and here this minus time minus will be plus. So 49, 4 times 9 is 36. 36 times 26 we get 936 all over 2 times 9 is 18. Now our next step is minus 27 plus minus, when we add these two, then we get 1665. So 1665 all over 18. Now this 1665 is actually 1665 can also be written as if we write that 9 times 185, it will be 1665. So we also know that that 9 times 185, here we just square root writing separately, square root of 9 and square root of 185. So we get 3 times square root of 185. 3 times square root of 185. Now writing here, then we have x is equal to minus 27 plus minus 3 times square root of 185 all over 18. So here if we take 3 is common, then we have minus 9 plus minus square root of 185 all over 18. So 3 6 is 18. Now we have final value of x, that is x is equal to minus 9 plus minus square root of 185 all over 6. So here we just find out two values of x, that is x1 is equal to minus 9 plus square root of 185 over 6, and x2 is minus 9 minus square root of 185 over 6. So it is our final answer. Now we are going to just check entire solution one by one. So all these steps that we have used different techniques of maths, so algebraic formulas and also different algebraic scales, we have just find out all the values of here x. So it is our entire solution that we are going to check step by step. So I hope you have understand all these steps. If you have any problem, any doubt, you just ask question in comment box. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.